Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to add a location to your cover photo on the Facebook app using your PC, all with the brand new update. If you want your cover to stand out and showcase where you are, follow these easy steps, and you'll have your profile looking just the way you want in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. At the very top of your Facebook homepage, look for your profile photo and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page where you can manage your cover photo. Once you're on your profile, move your mouse over your current cover photo. You'll see a camera icon or some quick action buttons appear. Click directly on your cover photo itself to open up the cover photo view. Beneath the cover photo, pay close attention to the row of icons and options. Find the three dots just under the photo. This is your More Options menu. Click on these three dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Location. A new window or sidebar will pop up, giving you a place to add or change the location for your cover photo. Here, you can search for your city, landmark, or a specific place that means something to you. Just type the location in, select it from the suggestions that appear, and you're all set. After you've chosen your location, confirm your choice. Facebook will update your cover photo to display the location you've selected, visible to anyone who visits your profile. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a personal touch to your Facebook cover photo, letting friends and followers know exactly where you are or where that special memory was made. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more quick tutorials and the latest updates on your favorite apps, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.